which every bank has the primary under the Banking Act 1949. Bank is a financial institution which has a main function of accepting the deposit for lending. The bank will accept the deposit in 4 ways. That is, deposit is fixed deposit, saving deposit, current deposit, and recurring deposit. These are the major 4 sources through which the bank gets the money. This is the primary function. This is the primary functions of the bank by which the bank collects the amount from the public. Fixed deposit, saving deposit, current deposit, and recurring deposit. Later on, after collecting the amount, the secondary functions which start, that is lending of money. The bank will lend the money to the people in the form of loan granted. Second, the bank will issue the loan, that is cash credit. The bank will grant the loan on the basis of cash credit. Cash credit. Later on, the bank will discount the bills. Next, the bank will issue the promissory notes. Later on, the bank will provide the loan on bank overdraft. These are the forms by which the bank will lend the loan to the general public. After taking the amount from the public in the shape of deposit, saving, current, recurring deposit, the bank will lend the money to the needy person in the forms of granting the loans, cash credit, bills discounted, promissory note, bank overdraft, by which the bank will give the loan to the people. Here we are having by taking the deposit, the bank will give the interest to the people. The bank will give the interest to the depositor on the amount deposited. On fixed deposit, the depositor will get the interest. On saving deposit, the depositor will get the interest. On current deposit, the depositor will get the interest. As well as on recurring deposit, the depositor will get the interest. On it, the bank has to pay the interest. That is known as interest expanded. That is known as interest expanded. Bank also has another source by which the bank will get the funds. That is, the bank will get the loan from RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Later on, the bank will get the loan from other bank. These are the forms by which the bank gets the amount in the shape of loan. After taking the loan, deposits and borrowings from the other bank and RBI, the bank will lend this money in the shape of cash credit, loan, discounts and overdraft. After that, the bank will Like for example, interest on deposits. Interest on deposit will be recorded in the schedule number 15. Interest on borrowings from RBI. Interest to RBI on borrowings will be recorded in the schedule number 15. Interest from other bank. Interest to other bank. Interest to other bank will be recorded in the schedule number 15. What are the interest we pay? It will be recorded in the schedule number 15. That is interest expected. And schedule number 13. Interest earned. Interest earned will be recorded in the schedule number 13. Suppose for example the bank is granting the loan to the public. The bank will collect the interest. So interest on the loan granted, it will the income to the bank. So whatever the income received by the bank in the source of interest, that will be called as income, and it will record on the schedule number 13. That is interest earned. That is interest on loan granted. Next, interest on cash credit. Interest on bank overdraft. Bills discounted. If the bank discounted the bill, the bank will earn some amount for its duration of the bill. Suppose for example a bill has a duration of 2 months. The bank will pay the loan on the bill, but the bank will charge some amount, that is known as discount. Discount on bills. Bills discounted, it is an income which is earned by the bank, and it will be recorded on the interest earned in schedule number 13. It is an income to the bank. Later on, another thing, that is interest on investment. Interest on investment. Interest on investment. What are the investment made by the bank? Will be collecting on it interest. So interest received by the bank, it is an income. So it will be recorded in the schedule number 13. Later on, we are having a schedule known as other income. Other income. Other income is an income which is earned by